I'm trying to get me a little pretty savage. They got her own bag, got goody and she bad, and ain't too many had it. Got a man, but she managed. They like to toast her till she dizzy.
Okay, so for this side, you can see that I already have the purple at the roots and stuff like that. So what I'm just going to do is go over the entire side with the same exact purple color. So now I'm just parting my sections. And this is the color that I'm starting with. So always make sure you're using gloves. I mostly just use the paintbrush to focus on my roots. And then the rest of it is going to be me getting my hands really messy. As you can see, I already got my hands messy. And the back is completely done. So I'm going to focus on the front half to show you exactly how I apply the color. Always make sure that you're separating your sections and getting like the underside and other parts of your hair, especially when you have afro hair. So when I get down to the very ends of my strands, that's when I start just using my hands. So this side is already sectioned off, and this is the color that I'm using. You may have missed it when I was doing the other side, but notice how I'm moving my hand in every direction. Just make sure you're applying the brush in all directions for full coverage to make sure every strand in your roots is covered. So now that this side is completely done, I just went over it with some of the Cobalt blue from Enrage. It's a little darker than the other blue I applied, but I just wanted to go over it with a little bit of a darker blue to make sure that like some of the greenish parts was more canceled out. And this is how it looks. I literally just got out the shower, so it's still soaking wet right now. But you'll see the final results in a minute.